Okay guys, here is the install instructions for our angry lizard. So it's going to mount right off these hex posts that are right here. At the moment, you guys have a piece of plastic, which I've already removed. It's this guy right here. Go ahead and remove that. Take screws out. With the angry lizard comes this kit, 2 small hex and 2 screws. Go ahead and, as I did here, screw in the hex post to there. Then you're going to take your angry lizard and see if I can do this one-handed here with the camera. There we go. And those line up right there. Go ahead and put in this one first. Start that screw, get it about halfway tightened. Then go ahead and put this one in because you're going to have to lift it up a little bit. His wing does sit on top of that. His tail darn near just touches right there. All that is correct. Now, should there be any variations you find with it, the lock nut right there, go ahead, loosen that up about 1/8 of an inch, quarter turn, and that'll give you a little bit of play where he can wiggle then a little bit, which is totally fine. He's not going to go anywhere. It's a locking nut, but that'll allow with any of the variations for it to clear. But it's a snug fit, but it fits. Let's hold it in place right there. So as I'm doing this one-handed, like I said, just a little bit of clearance right there. His chest is right on the house with the bracket. Hands are up. Hands are not really meant to be touching. Just kind of gives more of the illusion like he's going to claw it. So there you guys go. Hope you like it.